The two-stroke engine is found in a variety of machines, ranging from lightweight portable devices like chainsaws, to racing motorbikes and scooters, to large applications like locomotives, ships, and electric generators. Behind all these machines is a simple, yet highly efficient engine. The two-stroke engine is named for making one power cycle in 2 strokes. The piston moving up and then down again, turning the crankshaft 1 revolution. The engine is fairly simple in makeup. The basic components of a two-stroke engine are the crankshaft, the rod, the piston, the crankcase, the reed or check valve, the combustion chamber, the spark plug. There are also a variety of seals, bearings, gaskets, and rings that complete the engine. Let's look at how just the essential parts work together. Fuel is drawn through the reed valve and mixed with air in the combustion chamber during the downward stroke. The fuel mixture is then compressed by the piston's upward stroke. The spark plug ignites the compressed fuel, forcing the piston down the cylinder. Burned gases are vented out of the exhaust outlet as the piston moves upward. In some two-stroke engines, there's a slight loss of fuel due to port alignment. However, this loss is minimal. A two-stroke engine is more fuel efficient than a four-stroke engine. The engine drives the crankshaft, which can then turn any application, such as a belt, wheel, or propeller. The two-stroke engine offers more torque at fewer revolutions as compared to a four-stroke engine. An average two-stroke engine can run between 5,000 and 10,000 revolutions per minute. Two-stroke engines require lubrication. This is achieved through mixing oil with the fuel, either through an in-engine process or through pre-mixing the fuel. Because of this, oil is burned in the combustion process, making the exhaust dirtier.